Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
How have you been so far?
Uh, I'm doing great, ma'am. How are you?
Yes, I am fit as a fiddle. Thank you asking for
Yeah.
me.
Yes, good to hear that, ma'am. Uh, would,
So
would you please
tell me,
introduce
how is your
yourself?
morning going on? How is your morning going on?
Ma'am, my day has been going great. Now it's almost evening. So now after this session, I'll prepare for snacks, evening snacks.
Yes, I can
Mm.
understand. Because mostly women have to make evening snack because all family member prefer evening snack.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, yes.
so nice to meeting you. Nice to meet you. And I would love to know about yourself little bit, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks for asking. Ma'am, my name is Shamal. I'm connecting you from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I'm a phonic teacher, mother to two sons, enthusiastic Kathak learner, proud homemaker, and now I have been my bonnet about polishing my language. And if you ask me about my education, I'm commerce graduate. I have done post graduation diploma in international business. Then for a few years I worked for an MNC, but due to my family responsibilities, I had to take break. And if you ask me about my hobbies are listening to music, dancing, cooking. I have green thumb as well. So this is pretty much about me.
Yeah, it's a great introduction. So, should I introduce myself?
Yes, ma'am. Please, please.
Okay, so as you already know, my name Pooja Verma. I am from UP. I am living Kanpur. I have completed my postgraduate in education. I am a mother of two kids and I am learning and growing. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I love traveling and exploring new places. That's all about me.
Okay, good to hear that. Yes.
So
So,
tell me, ma'am, how did you start your YouTube channel?
oh my God, ma'am, YouTube channel. Actually, I was learning this language. I was polishing my language since almost 6 to 7 months. But I was always on and off. I couldn't be consistent because of my responsibilities. But to make myself more active and responsible, I have started my channel. So there I post my shorts which related to some idioms and phrasal expressions like that. So that make me to work on myself. Okay, and I'm try to conversate with people like you so I can enhance my language. So this is the story behind my YouTube channel creation.
Yeah, same to ma'am.
Yes.
I started my YouTube channel because I want to enhance my communication skill. I want to enhance myself because when we start anything new, so we need to continue there because mostly
Yes.
people they start very accuracy and very curious, but after 4 month, 5 month, they end up they quit their
Yes.
journey. But in my case I started making video and because I want to continue my journey, I don't want to break the chain, and at that way I can continue my journey as well as I will learn so many things step by step. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It happens, ma'am, when we start this kind of journey, which is parallel to our other works also. Like we are homemakers, so we have many responsibilities. Our plate is always full, right?
Yes.
So because of that, I would say means not it is not, there is no any intention, bad intention behind it to discontinue any kind of journey or any kind of activity. It is because of our personal responsibilities only. Because being a woman, I can tell you, we are always eager to learn new things. Am I right? But
Yes,
because of our
ma'am, you
family
are right.
responsibilities, our kids, we have to take back seat for that, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, it's
These are
true.
the setbacks, but these are our challenges which we should turn into possibilities, right? So like you also, I was about to quit, but then I thought, no, no, this is the one thing I like most, so I have to be consistent. So that's why I've started my channel, same
Yeah,
like
because
you.
mostly people, I see many people like after learning, after 4 month, after 5 month, they think I will quit my journey. I can't able to speak. It is not my cup of tea. But I think we never turn back. Keep moving forward their life slowly and gradually. We will improve whatever we want
Definitely.
their life because like success doesn't come one day, but when we work slowly and gradually, so definitely I will see drastically change in our speaking in our journey in our life.
Mhm. Yes, 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 ma'am. Every skill need consistency because we know that Rome was not built in one day. So every best thing needs time, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
definitely if we be consistent and persevere, then we'll definitely can make the change. And it is not related to only English, it is not the only language. Be it any language or any skill, it need time and consistency and patience as well, right?
Yes, ma'am. So, like, I would love to know when did you start your journey? At that time, you knew about this language, you had environment?
Ma'am, actually, I won't say that I didn't knew this language. I knew this language before starting this journey. This conversing with people. I've joined one WhatsApp platform also for that matter. I started with English area, but the thing which triggered me, which was I've been to few countries. That time I did my traveling alone. My husband was not with me, so that time it was not like that I didn't knew English. I knew English, but it was very difficult for me to start to conversate with any stranger or ask any question. When we if we speak, we can easily give the answer, but when it comes to asking question, it is bit difficult, right? So that time I thought, no, I know English, but I am feeling hesitation while speaking with strangers. So it is really a with what say a high time to start it. So from that day onward I started learning this language and polishing my English. But after some time I got to know that this is not a one night thing. It needs time. So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
onwards I kept it I keep continuing. But still it is really difficult to be consistent because my children, they both are teenagers. Initially they didn't support me because they were saying, mama, we don't need this language, we speak in English in school, at school, but at home we should not speak English, we won't speak English. So that time I was little bit nervous. But when I joined English Airy, it was really nice platform. And because of that platform, I got to know about Sunita ma'am and Neha ma'am and about their channel. And there are many learners are there who are eager to learn. So because of participating in those conversation, participating in sessions, I could gather my courage and I created my channel to be more consistent about it.
Yes, right, right. Because Sunita ma'am and like Neha ma'am both are very like famous YouTuber, we can say.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, because I
They are.
saw mostly in English Yari. They
Yes,
talk
yes,
to
yes.
each other. I saw many time,
Yes,
and
yes.
they speak very accuracy.
Yeah, with accuracy they speak. Yes, definitely.
Yes, right.
They
So,
both are really eloquent speakers.
yes, ma'am. Yeah, because they has been like Neha ma'am. Actually, one day I saw her video. At that time, she was telling like she has been in this platform for 9 years and 8 years.
Yes, yes,
Right? So
yes.
9 years
Nine
and
years is
8 years,
great.
it's matter a lot in their life in this journey. And
Yes,
because mostly people feel like quitting their journey, but she has been learning for the long time and she didn't give up their journey,
She
and
hasn't give up.
she
She
has been
hasn't give up.
continue their
Yeah,
journey.
and she's still giving sessions non-stop. And because of them only, when I've joined their group after English area, I've joined that group only because on English area, what happened, ma'am? You take session, the 25-minute session is there. If you have 10 sessions, if you paid for the 10 session, you will get that 10 sessions. But what about the whole day? That 25 minutes are okay, but if you have to if you want to learn more, if you want to want to polish it, that for that matter you need that conducive environment. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And because of the group only, you can get that. Though my both the sons, they are in convent school, they speak really very well, but when they come home they don't like to speak. It is not wrong, it is not at all wrong, because whole day they speak in English. They are doing their studies and everything in English, but when they come home they like to speak in mother tongue, right? We are Marathis. So
Yes.
they like to like to speak in Marathi. But when it come for my learning, that time I thought I have to join their class, because after few days only when I joined English, after few within a few days I got to know about their channel. On the same month, in the same month, they've started the that WhatsApp channel, and then I joined there. But I was not at all consistent, because after joining, after within 1 month, I had some my health issues, which was really very critical, so I couldn't be consistent over there. But after some time again, almost 2 months after that, I've joined it again. But still I'm not that much consistent, but I have that fire in my belly that I'll definitely do it. So that's why I've started the channel. And yes, it is a really time consuming thing, because it's a second language, it is not at all our mother tongue, so
Yes,
it
because
needs time.
yeah, because still we are learning, and this is like a long journey, and this is like we can say long journey, like a whole journey. Because now
Yes,
we know about the English, so like this journey will be going on whole life.
yes,
So
yes,
I
yes.
think we shouldn't pressurize ourselves. Slowly and gradually we can learn, and we can learn step by step. Don't pressurize yourself, don't burden yourself like I can
Yes,
learn those vocabulary, I can learn those idioms, phrasal every in a single day. No, we can't learn. And just as you told, like mostly people face like when it's come to answer, they can give answer very easily, but when it's come to question, they can't ask the question. It is very difficult, as you told. I can understand, because I remember like when I was like totally beginner, if any person used to ask me any question, I used to give reply very easily, but when it come to ask question, I was not articulate my thought. I was not understand how can I speak. What should I speak? What should I ask question? What kind of question I should ask her? So I
yes,
faced like that like condition, but after that I focused on myself. Actually answer it is very like simple, we can give answer very easily, but when it's come to question we can't. So I started asking question for beginners and for like my partner. When I practice with someone, so I ask question uh, deliberately. I ask
yes,
question
yes, yes,
deliberately because I know like this language is very important for me, because as a homemaker, being a homemaker, nobody respect their work. Like people think like it is ordinary work, but if you know about this language you speak, so at least people respect you, people speak polite you, and like a homemaker don't have identity, we can say. But if you do something new in your life, so at least people will respect, people will give a time for you. So I feel like energetic if I feel
Great.
proud of
It's
myself
really
at least.
good. It's really good. Yes. But what made you to start this journey?
Could you repeat again, ma'am?
What made you to start this journey? Means what is behind this that you had to start your English journey? Do because of
Yeah,
your children,
actually,
or you means you are trying for new job like that?
no, ma'am. I didn't try any job, but what is the reason behind it? I would like to share. You know, when you used to go to my daughter's school, like mostly in PTM meeting, teacher used to speak Hindi to English. I was not able to speak. In fact, I didn't know about the English. I was not aware this language. I couldn't spoken a single word. How can I speak? How could I speak with her? So after that, I decided I will learn this language. I will face a lot of problem. It doesn't matter. I will learn this language. One day I will learn this language and I will communicate with teacher English to English. But when I attend any
Good,
PTM
good,
now,
good.
so I try to speak English to English. I don't try to Hindi. So that's the reason behind
Oh,
it. I started my journey, mostly learning journey. But
okay, okay.
now I'm we can say over the moon after learning this language, and now I have courage to do something because now I can try to join any school also, ma'am.
Okay, wow, that's great. That's great.
Yes,
If you have
and
that
like
skill,
I can open my
you
own
also
institute
learn in
also.
college.
Yes,
Okay.
I can open my own institute also, but now because my children are very small, my and younger one is 4 years old, elder one is 10 years old. So and as well as I have to manage my house chores work, so it is not possible I can go outside. But I will provide like a spoken classes at home.
Wow, good, good.
Yes,
That
so
will be
that is my
really beneficial, because if you have learned and you teach somebody, then it is your second learning, right?
yes, ma'am.
So that will definitely fix your knowledge a lot.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, it's a true.
Yes, yes.
So, ma'am,
So
I have one question. Like, do you think waking up early makes people more energetic and positive way? Productive.
yes, 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 yes.
Productive.
That
Why?
yes, definitely, definitely. The early bird get worms. It is right. Early bird gets worms. Like if you rise early, then you will get more work. And in the morning, more especially in the morning, you have that extra time in your hand, right? And in that extra time, you can do for your meditation work, your exercise also you can do. Then your this learning work also you can do. So and when we finish most of the work in the morning, we'll have lot of time in our hand,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
because of that we feel productive, even though we have done lot of work, but still we feel productive because we have lot of time in our hand after the morning also. So and we can prioritize our things. If you have a lot of time, ample of time in our hand, we can prioritize our thing, and we can keep that record also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So with that, with if you get early, you rise early, you will definitely get more time, and the day will be 100% day will be productive for you.
Yes, ma'am. It's
You know,
true because when we wake up early in the morning, we can do so many things. Because mostly women say, "I don't have time for reading. How can I read book in the morning?"
yes, yes,
Because if we wake up at 4 o'clock 4:30 o'clock, so at that
uh,
time we can read book, we can write something, and we can learn so
hmm,
many things. And after that we can start making breakfast for your daughters, because if they go to school, and after going to school, we can do some exercise, we can walk for some time. Because you know, we have to clean home every day, we have to wash
yes,
clothes every day, we have to wash the bed sheet and house chores and utensil everything, but we don't wash our body because body also needs clean every day.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes,
And
because
I think if we prioritize our health first, then definitely we can cater others also, right? We can
yes,
cater
ma'am.
them, we can serve them. If our cup is full, then only we can serve others, right? So it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
like if we and if I am a person, I can't read and write in the morning, early in the morning. When I wake up, if I wake up early, I do my exercise, I take walk, I finish my household show first, then I'll sit for my learning part, right? So means by this also I can utilize my whole day. I'll get ample of time in my hand and I can give time for everything. And if I wake up late, that day is disaster for me because I get annoyed, I get irritated because everything is dumped in that day. I cannot finish that work on that time, on the particular time which I have situated for that. So it is like irritation for me. It irritates me when I don't do the
Yes,
things in
because
time
yeah,
because I
ma'am.
am a
Because
little bit OCD person.
yeah, when we live in joint family, so we have to do everything on time. We have to
Yeah,
finish your work early in the morning. After that, we have to make breakfast. Then we wash your clothes, utensil. There are so many things work.
many things are there. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes, ma'am. So,
but
yes,
yes, ma'am.
go ahead, ma'am.
But if you prioritize and make your to-do list and you have a lot of time, then it is really very easy to do any kind of thing if you have ample of time in your hand, right? So then
Yes, ma'am.
you can take give time for your health also, and which is really very
Yes,
important.
because like health is first, after that is everything. Because if you are healthy, uh, if you are feeling
Fit.
good inside, we can do everything. We can make food for your family member. You can take care your family member. But if you are not feeling well, you can't do anything. And one day, like suppose you today you are feeling not good, like one day your husband, your family member take care yourself, but after that they will not because they will
No, no,
not
no,
do
definitely
every
not.
day, right?
Every day
So
won't,
first we need
nobody will
to
serve you for the everyday.
take care
Definitely,
of
nobody will serve
ourselves.
you.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
and
First we need
even
to take
we
care
also
ourselves.
don't feel good. We also don't feel good that they people are taking care of us, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
If they
right.
are taking our care, we also don't feel good.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
1 or 2 days are okay, but more than that, no, it is not acceptable. And even
Yes,
people
yes.
won't do that. Definitely, they won't
Yes,
ready. They won't be ready to do that.
yes, ma'am. So now
Mhm.
I bind up the session. It was a nice conversation with you. Thank you so much
Yes,
for your
ma'am.
precious time.
Likewise, likewise.
Nice to meeting you.
Yes, ma'am, it was really nice conversation with you, and thanks for inviting me and sharing screen with me. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.